Yeah, here we have a Vectrax 10-inch by 54-inch knee mill package. It is used, and it does have some shipping distress, and it has some other issues. And we're going to go over them right now with you. This unit includes a Kurt power lock power drawbar. I'm going to show you that does operate. Alright, it's in. Okay. Also includes a new all DP700 2-axis digital readout. That also appears to operate. That's your cross slide here. So that does operate very nicely there. Except it does lock up a little bit because it does have this servo on here, as well as the here's your this isn't working very well at all. It needs a new lead screw probably, but as you can see, when you attempt to turn it, it does operate the digital readout. It has the new all scales. Looks like the Serafins. I'm just going to go over here and just show you this end broke off during shipment. So looks like that lead screw is shot on there. Now it does have a fair amount of rust on the table. That can be easily cleaned off. And some paint scuffs and paint chips on various parts of the machine. Now let's go down here. The knee lift does not appear to operate very well. It goes in one direction and it locks up. And it also has 3 servo Type 140 power feeds. Well, none of these power feeds operate at all. Okay, there's 1, there's 2, X, Y, and Z axis, were 1 for the knee lift. So none of these operate at all. We tested them. Includes an 8-inch riser. The main thing on this is this motor is not working properly. It does fire up, but it doesn't sound good, and it does smoke. I think the windings may be defective. We're not really quite sure. We'll probably replace the motor or have the motor rebuilt. We're just going to fire it up briefly and just show you that it does operate. But it doesn't turn the quill here. Let's see. We tried all these. There we go. So we got it running there, and forward and reverse. Like I said, it doesn't sound good at all. And if we leave it on long enough, that motor will start smoking a little bit there. So it does need a fair amount of work to get it up and running again. This is 230 volt, 3-phase. It's pre-wired for 230 volt. We couldn't get the power down feed to work either, even when we turned it on here. So. Yeah, this hand wheel is broken too. It's a plastic hand wheel on here. And we thank you for looking at our product.